let's do it. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Nathan with freedominfluencer.com. If you want to make money on YouTube using affiliate marketing, you have come to the right video. But first, we got to take a look at this. I have trouble taking anybody serious when he wears a hat indoors and puts it on backwards. Did you manage to put your pants on the right way? Well, you know, any comment's a good comment. Thanks for the engagement. But with that being said, let's rock and roll and get into this video. You know what I'm saying? All right, you guys, YouTube is an amazing platform to make money. All right. And I'm going to share with you how I've been able to make a lot of money using the power of YouTube. I've won multiple awards for being a top affiliate marketer. And I've even done over $1 million and getting this fancy award from Russell Brunson and Todd with ClickFunnels. And the reason that I was able to get that award, no doubt, is because I have a YouTube channel. So if you're here thinking about starting YouTube, you want to make money with it. And I don't just mean from the ads and being a YouTube partner. I mean making real money even out of the get-go. It's absolutely possible. I'm going to share with you exactly how to do it. Now, I don't want you guys to be intimidated. So someone might come across my channel like this, and what you're going to see is, oh, this guy has hundreds of thousands of subscribers. If I pull up my info right here and you come down, you can see my views, which are, where did they go? Well, I'm having trouble finding my views, but they're on here somewhere. Maybe I'm zoomed in too far. Go like this, and there they are. Okay, I don't know if I'll be able to zoom that up, but my views are 16 million views. Almost 16, it's over 16.25 million views. So someone might come across my video like this and be thinking about starting to start a YouTube channel, make money, and they see someone like me and they see my channel and say, well, you know, that is unachievable for me if I compare someone to like that. First of all, first and foremost, stop comparing. One of the worst things that you can do in any type of entrepreneurship venture is to compare yourself to someone else. The only person that you need to be better than is yourself the day yesterday, today, and be better than you were yesterday. That's all you have to do. And you have to keep growing and keep learning and making yourself better. So do not compare yourself to other YouTubers who have done thousands of YouTube videos. And also, if you look at that, I've done over 1,000 YouTube videos. Okay, so I'm not new to this, but I will tell you this. It all is a decision. It's just a decision. So if you're thinking about, I got my hat on. Well, now I'm going to get called out for having my hat on crooked, man. Okay, it's all about just making a decision. There was a time in 2014, I think it was. If I pull this up, you'll also see when I started my YouTube channel. I started, it says joined April 24th, 2014. Yes, thank you very much. I appreciate it. It was my birthday this year, 10 years on YouTube. But I made a decision, and you can make the same decision. And what I'm going to share with you in this video literally took me from a little side hustle that allowed me to quit being in my career in the military, take this full time, and make over $1 million doing it. And it was all because of YouTube and affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you the business side of YouTube and how you can start making money with affiliate marketing. Okay. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways. Let's dive right into this. Here's the formula right here. This is the YouTube income system. That's what I'm calling this. Okay. And if you really want to make money, this is how you do it on YouTube. And you need to have what you see here, a funnel. You need to treat your entire YouTube channel as a funnel. And when you do this, this is how you can truly make money. So step one is obviously you're going to get traffic from YouTube. And the way that you do that is by creating videos. Now, there's several different videos that you can be creating. I'm going to cover that inside this video. But ultimately, what you want to do is you're going to provide value inside your videos the best way that you know how. Again, you do not need to be perfect to do this. Go back and look at my older videos. Look at some of the videos I still do now. I have bad days. They were trash. And sometimes I'll admit it, I don't make the best YouTube videos, but it doesn't mean I didn't make over $1 million and that I don't still make money to this day. So you need to get that out of your head about being perfect, okay? You just need to be better than you were yesterday or continue to grow. Okay. So once you start creating content and you start creating YouTube videos, what you want to do on step 2 is you want to build an email list. All right. And if you are taking entrepreneurship serious and you really want to make this a business, you've got to start collecting emails. I don't care if you just want to create YouTube videos to make some extra money. I get that. And you can do that. But if you want to make money, real money, $1,000, $2,000, replace your job income type of money, you got to start collecting emails. Okay. And so the way that you do that is you can give a call to action in your videos at the bottom. Let's just jump into one of these videos. Here's one that I recently did where I gave a call to action. Click pause so you don't hear that. At the bottom of your videos, what you want to do right here is you want to have your links down here that are going to products and landing pages that you will generate an income on. Okay. So for example, right here, this one's the free course, which I'm going to link this exact thing below the video you're watching right now. And if you want to go more in depth, you can go grab this 100% free course on affiliate marketing and how you can set this whole machine up to start generating revenue using what I'm talking about right now. But you see what I do here is when someone clicks this, they're going to click here and then they're going to access the free course. I'm going to generate a lead with their email. I send you what you would like. And that's how you start generating leads. Okay. So that is how you start generating the emails to grow your empire. And then what you want to do is you want to nurture those leads, and you do this 2 different ways. Yes, you want to do this by sending them emails. This is a huge part of it. And most affiliate marketers at this point know this. But what a lot of people don't talk about is also send them to more of your content. Send them to things that will build trust with them, to nurture them, to continue to provide value to them in order for you to set yourself up to make more money, which is then to make sales. Okay. So that is how this system works. So a perfect example of this is what I shared with you here, but I'll show you some other channels. If you want to make it a little less complicated and you don't want to do the funnel route and you don't want to build your audience, I don't think that you should do it that way, but it's still a great money maker, especially if you're doing reviews. So I'm going to show you the number 1 way I think that is the perfect way to get started on YouTube with affiliate marketing. So in this one, I talked about digital products that you can sell to make money online. Okay. And down here, I have a product that people can steal. Maybe I'll link this one down too. Okay. This is a free product, limited time. I don't know how long I'm doing this for, so don't think it's going to be there forever if you're interested in doing this. I give people a free digital product that they can steal. Like you can have it. It's free. And when they click here, guess what's going to happen? Same thing. They're going to put their information in. Boom. I'm going to send that to them. Now I'm building my audience. That's what you want to do. If you don't have something to give away for free, this is an amazing offer that I'm giving away to people. Yes, I'll leave this down in the description below. Okay. So that's what I did there. And then I also had the free course. Now, understand that this is congruent. I'm talking right here about digital products. Okay. And then I'm linking to a digital product that they can have for free. That to me is a killer lead magnet. Okay. And doing this has already led to revenue and making sales for me. All right. So what's the fastest way that you can do this? Let me jump into the home screen here. Actually, I don't want to do that. I want to go back and I want to give you guys a little bit. Let me pause that. Actually, I can just go to my YouTube channel, right? YouTube channel. Whoops, there we go. And I just want to encourage you guys because YouTube is a grind. I don't care how you cut and slice it. Like if you get into the world of YouTube, it is a grind. And it does not matter if you love what you're talking about. You love, creating content on a specific niche, and this is my passion, and I could talk about this all day. Once you do it 1,000 times, it becomes work. So you have to discover new ways to keep it enjoyable for you. And no matter what you're talking about, if you're making an impact in the lives of other people for the better, that's what you need to continue to refocus on. If, pull up a whiteboard and put it down and put down your daily goals. Why are you doing what you're doing? You're creating a video on this today. What's the impact that could have? Someone could come across your video, whether you believe it or not, and because of your video, take an action that can completely change the trajectory of their life for the better and their family's life. And then they can go on and do the same for other people. So what people don't understand is starting a YouTube channel is more than, it's outside of just yourself. You're doing something with a bigger purpose, whether you're just creating a YouTube channel about, freaking kid toys, it doesn't matter. The reality is that the chances of you, if you have a good heart, good intentions, you're going to change the lives of other people. Always keep that in mind. And I want you to keep that in mind when you're on your 50th video, your 100th video, your 200th video, because I'm telling you, I've done this. I'm over 1,000 YouTube videos. It is work. And as a matter of fact, I took years off, which is why if you come and look at my videos, I'm not getting many views right now. I have to work back. I have to get back at this because I took so long off that for my subscriber count, my videos, they're not getting a lot of views at all. But I know the game, and it's just something that you have to overcome. You got to work on your mindset. It is a business, okay? All right, so with that being said, let's dive into the actual strategy that I really want to share with you that I know is going to help you guys. So one thing that you can do is do review videos, all right? So let's just do in best. So there's a couple things that you can do here. You can do best. Let me come over here, and I'll just type it up right here so you can see this, okay? Add a text box, and I'm going to share with you. Did it work? Add a text box. There we go. And this is the type of content that you want to create if you're just getting started. Oh, it did do it. That's why there's two. So let me get rid of that one. Sorry, guys. Here we go. So you have best, and then you have, let's say, product review, and then you have product versus product. Okay. Now let me select all that. I'll keep it bold, make it black so you guys can see it. I will make it to the left-hand side, and then I'm going to blow this up. Actually, I can just do this right here. Boom. There we go. So let me get rid of the side panel. Make sure you guys can see it. These are what we want to create. Best, product review, and product versus product. This is the best way I believe you can start on YouTube. So let's just say best camera for, and then here's what YouTube is suggesting to us. So for vlogging, for YouTube. So what we want to do is and these are great suggestions for you to start creating content on. Let's just say best camera for YouTube. I'm going to bet money that Think Media comes up. All right, let's just see here. Okay, so we've got Primal Video, Primal. Man, he's dominating the top results here, Primal Video. And then here we go. This is Think Media right here. So nine months ago. Okay, here you go. So I'm going to click into, let's just say Think Media's YouTube video about this. And they're going to give a video about what they are promoting to you as the best camera for YouTube. Okay, so you can see it right here. This is a video. People are searching for this. You saw this when I searched it in the search bar, and then come down here. Look what they're doing. They're selling something. So this is a master class that you can go join. And then they do it even better right here. They have affiliate links in the description. So the Sony A6700 affiliate link, the Sigma 16 millimeter, that's a lens affiliate link. Sony ZV E10 affiliate link. All right. And now obviously this is a really big channel, so they get more views. This video right here has 300,000 views, but this is just an example. All right. So let's just see what they were talking about. Remember the formula that we're following. Okay. And this is what I'm telling you to be the fastest way to start making money on YouTube is start creating this kind of content. So that was our best example. Okay, so we did this one. Now, next is product review. So then we would come over here, and this is the one it looks like they're recommending in this video. So Sony A67, we're going to do that. We're going to come back up to the search bar like we did before. And now we're going to type in the product, and then we're going to create a review about it. So now we click on review, and now look what comes up. Now we have people doing the same exact thing, but instead of saying best video for YouTube, they're specifically doing a product review. And inside of these product reviews, guess what they're doing? They're affiliate linking to the product so they can make money as affiliates. So if I come down here, open this up. Okay. Wow, this is like a little shopping tab that they have there. Nice. YouTube's changed, always changing. It's constantly changing. Okay. Check out the camera here. Boom. Now this guy's actually doing it the correct way. If it's a straight link to the product, that's an affiliate link. You're supposed to disclose it in a prominent position per the FTC. I have my affiliate links down at the bottom saying this description contains affiliate links. I believe it's prominent, but it's not at the top. So either at the top or right here is by the book, the way that you're supposed to do that. Okay. So that is way number 2 of the formula. Way number 3 is product versus product. Okay. So now we're going to come up here to the top and we're going to search Sony A6700 versus, and then look at what everyone's creating content on and what people are searching on. Okay. Let's just say the A7 III, because that was the first one that came up. We come down and we look right here. And this is from filming this. This one's 5 months ago, 7 months ago. So what we can do here is we can come over here and click on one of these. And we're going to check this out now. Oops, I accidentally clicked on their channel. What I wanted to do was click on the video, maybe because I'm zoomed in too far. We're going to click on the video. Once this video pops up, we're going to pause it. I'm going to come down here, click more, and here we go. What do you know it? These are all affiliate links going to this product in different areas of the world too. So they got this thing figured out. Let me see. Who is this? Oliver Shutter Speed. Yeah, he knows what he's doing because people all around the world can be watching this. So they have, the US, the UK. That's it. What's DE? You tell me. I'm not sure. I'd have to look it up. Let's do it. What country is DE? Germany. Yeah, I should have known that. Is it? Well, that's what it's saying. Deutschland. All right. So that is the framework to make money. Okay. Now, I recommend if you're serious about doing affiliate marketing, go grab my free ebook down below, subscribe to my channel for more, and then follow this framework right here. This is what made me over $1 million. By following these steps: creating YouTube content that's relevant to a niche, building an email list, nurturing, and sales. And when you pick up that ebook, if you guys decide to do it, no worries, just subscribe and you'll get more content from me where I teach you for free on my YouTube channel. But if you want a free course, go grab that course. You're also going to have an opportunity, okay, to sign up to a 72-hour challenge. Inside that challenge, my friend Jonathan's going to break down exactly how you can build all this out to capture the emails, nurture them in an automated email sequence that sends out emails for a year, and then start making sales on 15 different affiliate products. And it's all done for you. It's a done for you system. There's nothing else like it. If you're an affiliate marketer, I highly recommend checking it out. This is Nathan with Freedom Influencer. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up. YouTube thinks that you should go watch this video next. And of course, I'll see you on the next video. Hat backwards, baby.